Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Wacky Craft Bags. This week we are making a little simple circuit bug. His eyes light up and you can turn them on and off by moving his antenna. It's a really easy craft. All you need is the kit from the library and maybe scissors. If you have hot glue at home and you feel confident using it, you can use that as well, but you don't have to. I'll show you how to get around that. All right, let's get your stuff and get started. Okay, for this craft, you would need everything that's in this kit. So you have a piece of duct tape on the outside, and you have 3 pieces of pipe cleaner for the legs. You've got about a 6-inch piece of wire for the antenna. You've got about 1 inch of copper tape. It is, there's a back on it, so we'll peel that off. And then for the eyes, you have a battery. This is just a coin battery. Really, it doesn't matter what size. So if you do make this again, you can use any kind of coin battery. And you've got 2 light bulbs. Now, what we've done is we've pre-bent this. So the shorter leg is the negative. The one that is bent to the side is the positive. We'll show you what to do with that in a second. Your first step is going to be putting together his legs, okay? This is where if you have a hot glue gun at home and you feel comfortable using it, you're just going to want to hot glue gun the legs together about here in the center, okay? So get them as even as you can. This leg's a little bit longer than the other ones, but that's okay. If you don't have a hot glue gun, that's okay. We're going to use our duct tape. So you can peel it off your bag. Very slowly. There you go. You don't want a lot of duct tape for the legs, so I'm just going to trim a little bit off, maybe that much. And I'll put this aside. You will need it later. And then I'm going to just secure my legs in the center. Does not have to be perfect, just so that they stay together. We'll kind of put his head on and his body in a minute, just so that they stay together. Okay, perfect. So once his legs are together, you can put them aside. We'll use them in a minute. So now we are going to make our head, the head of our bug. The first thing you want to do is you want to take your copper wire and get it as straight as you can. And you're going to take your copper tape and peel the back off. And then you can get rid of that back. Now, we want to put our copper tape as much in the middle of the wire as possible. These are our antenna, and this is going to be what connects our circuit. So the copper tape is super important. So you're going to want to lay it on there like that and then roll it around, okay? So that it's touching the whole wire. Okay, so my copper tape is on my wire. Very good. We can put that aside now. Now we need our battery. All right, let's get into this. They take a minute sometimes. This is our coin battery. There are 2 sides, pretty different. This side, the flat side, is the positive. You can see the plus sign right there. This side, that's kind of rounded, is the negative. And they go along with the 2 legs of our light bulb. So, like I said, this is going to be our negative leg that's straight. And this is going to be our positive leg. If they were still together and we put them so that they're touching, my negative leg is on the negative side, my positive leg, when it touches the positive side, the battery lights up. Okay, so now we're going to put together our Blinky bug. Now, I have a piece of duct tape left. I'm going to trim off the top part that was folded, and we can get rid of that. And then I am going to kind of cut this down a little bit because I'll need some to tape my bug to the body. Okay, so this is good to make my body. We'll use the other duct tape in a minute. So what we're going to do is we need to make a sandwich of sorts to get this to light up, because I want my negative legs to always touch the negative side of the battery, but I don't want my positive legs to always touch the side of the positive side of the battery, or else they'll never turn off. So I'm going to use our antenna as the kind of switch to turn my eyes on and off. So they'll be positive legs will be touching the antenna. So I'm going to take the copper tape side of my antenna and put it on the flat positive side of my battery. So it's going to go on the side with the plus sign. And I'm going to tape that to my battery, or my duct tape here. So I'm going to put it like this so that it's touching. And then I'm going to make sure my entire battery is on the duct tape and it's down flat, okay? Now I'm going to take my eyes and I'm going to put the negative legs on the negative side. You see, if my positive touches the wire, it lights up. That's okay while I'm putting it together. You don't want to get the positive leg into the duct tape though, or else they'll get stuck. You kind of need the legs to be out. All right, so we're going to do it with both eyes. So my negative legs are on the negative side. And then I'm going to take my tape and wrap. Oop, this guy escaped. That's okay. If you have to maneuver a little bit, this can be the tricky part. Come on. Okay, so I have taped them down. You can trim the bottom if you need to. Now, my eyes are off, right? Because my positive leg, the long leg sticking out, is not touching. But when I touch the positive side to the wire, they turn on. So I'm going to make sort of a little hook with my positive legs around the wire of the antenna. So we're going to do that. Sometimes if you feel like they're not staying on, even though they're really all connected, it's because my negative leg isn't taped down very tightly. So you can use a paper clip or another piece of tape to kind of keep it down. But I'm going to make sure that the positive legs are connected. There we go. That's a little bit better. So my two eyes are on. Now, if I wanted to turn them off, I would just need to move my antenna away from the positive leg. See how I've made sort of a simple switch right here? Just by moving my antenna, I can turn him on or off. And then you can position your antenna however you want them after the fact. Okay? So I am going to trim just a little bit of this. Oops, I need that tape. See, this light doesn't want to stay on, probably because it's not taped down very well, so I might do a paper clip. All right, let's get rid of that. Now, we need to put the bug together. So we're going to take our last piece of duct tape. You shouldn't have a whole lot left. And we are going to roll it so the sticky side is out. And we're going to put it onto our bug body. And then we are going to, now this side, this is up to you. I'm going to do it this way so it's a little bit easier for me to get, and it might give the negative side some more support. I'm going to stick my head onto the bug, and let's see, why aren't you staying on? Probably because I'm gonna make the legs, and I have a Blinky bug. There you go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had a good time making your little Blinky bug. If you want more content, follow us on YouTube and social media, and we'll see you later. Bye.